Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite workouts that I like to use for abs and core exercises when I've had a day full of yard work or working on the car and I might have a little bit of lower back discomfort. This particular workout I use to help release added stress and pressure on my back while also working through and building up some of my core strength. So today's workout is going to consist of 5 exercises. I'm going to do them for 45 seconds each with 15 seconds of rest. If you're more advanced, you can do 2 or 3 additional cycles. But for this one, I'm just going to do the 5 to give you an idea of what the exercises look like and how it can help you get through those core exercises, the abdominal strengthening exercises, while having a little bit of a lower back discomfort from, say, doing a lot of yard work or working on the car. So the first exercise we're going to start with is leg raises. So I have my app set up. We're going to do 5 cycles, 1 time through. And we're going to do 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest.
Starting session.
We'll get started. So for leg raises, you want to keep the tension on the abdominal muscles, not letting your feet bounce. To make it a little bit more difficult, put your arms out to the side, or to make them a little bit easier, pin your hands underneath your backside. Trying to keep your toes pointed as best you can. And if it's a little bit too easy at this pace, you can speed it up. Get more reps during that 45 seconds. And rest for 15 seconds. The next exercise we're going to do are flutter kicks. Those have a lot of similarities to the leg raises. But what I found is if you keep your legs a little bit further apart during the flutter kicks, it will add more resistance and allow you to use more of your abdominal muscles rather than keeping them right close together. So if it's a little bit easier, try moving your legs a little bit further apart during the exercise. Okay, the next exercise, we're going to roll over onto our stomach, give our backs a little bit of a rest, and go into a 45-second plank. With the plank, you want to try and maintain a straight line from your head down to your heels, not allowing your body to sag. You don't want to sag, and you don't want to raise your hips up too high. You want to keep your body in a straight line, as straight a line as you can. You want to try and go for the full 45 seconds. If you can't, you can drop your knees for a second, try to get back in. Increase the amount of time that you are in the plank position during the exercise. Okay, now we're going to go back over onto our back for the last 2 exercises. The next one is a reverse plank. The next one is a reverse crunch. Where you bring your legs forward and raise your hips up into the air. Again, you can make it more difficult by putting your arms out to the side, or make it a little easier by pinning them underneath. Try and go for the full 45 seconds. You have to slow down, that's fine too. Just keep moving. Now the final exercise are ankle taps. This one does recruit a little bit of a twist in your back. So if you can't do this one, I'll show you an alternate. But by keeping your head raised, you just want to come down and touch each ankle with your fingertips. If you can't do this movement because of a back problem, you can go into the seated boat and just hold this position. It's not quite the same exercise, but it'll still get you through 5 exercises of the workout. So those 5 exercises are a pretty good workout that you can do, especially if you're trying to strengthen your core after a day of extensive gardening or working on the car, that sort of thing. So give that a try. See if this helps you to strengthen and loosen your back from a days of hard labor, as well as increasing your core strength for moving into more advanced exercises. Thanks for hanging out with me and hopefully participating in that ab workout designed to help strengthen your core and your lower back while trying to minimize excess twisting and turning through the spine. If you like that video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're looking for supplements, check out Redcon One. They have a wide variety of supplements available. My favorites are some of their proteins, the isotope proteins, and the MRE lights. Those are some of my favorites. I also do enjoy their pre-workouts and some of their fat burners. I do have a coupon code that will give you 20% off. I'll post that down in the description below, as well as a link to Redcon One. Check it out and pick up something that will help to supplement your workout regimen. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Take care.